Hi children, today we are going to have two more questions. With that two questions, 11.1 will be completed. Okay. First question, 135 degree. How to construct 135 degree? Okay. Okay. Now. 135. How to construct? In order to construct 135 degree, you have to construct 150 degree so that it will be easy. Yes, 60. Again, another how much? 60, 120, right? Now, we have to draw which one? 150 degree. This one you have to divide into two parts. 150 degree already I taught you yesterday's videos. Look nicely. Since 150 is not our question is 135, right? So you draw which one? Dot line. Keep in your mind, dot line that it has to cross this circle. Semicircle. Now, up to here 120. This is how much? 150. 120, 150. So in this gap, how many degrees hiding? 30 degrees, right? In order to have 135, we are already 120. So how many we need? Another 15. So now, another 15 is needed. So here 30 degree is hiding. So you split the 30 degree into two equal parts. So 30, when you split into two equal parts, how many degree you get? Yes, 15 degree. So that will be 145, right? So keep the composite to 150 degree, cut an off, and 120 degree. That portion and center straight line. So this angle is how much? 135. You can also check with your protractor. You know it how to measure. Yes. 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. 100, 110, 120, 130, 140, middle, 130. Right? So it's correct. One answer is correct. Now, the last questions. Question number 5 tells, construct an equilateral triangle. Given its sides and justify the construction. Equilateral triangle sides are not given, so we have to let us given its sides. Okay. Let's say point A. Sides are not given, so you can take up any measurement according to your convenience. Okay. Now keep the composite A, cut an arc. So this is what? B. So for me, let me use a scale. How many centimeters is there? Yes. 15 centimeter. Sorry, 10 centimeter. Now keep the composite A, make an arc. Without changing, keep it at B, make another arc. So where both arcs are intersecting, give the name C. Join join BC as well as AC. Now, if it is 10 centimeter, then AC and BC also should be 10, because what type of triangle? Equilateral triangle. All the sides should be equal, isn't it? So 10, yes, 10, yes, 10. Same symbol, right? So 10 centimeter. Now, how to justify? How will you justify? If it is equilateral triangle, all the angles also should be equal to how many degree? 60 degree, right? So that 60, 60, 60, how much? 180. Let us check whether all the angles are 60 degree or not. Yes, take your protractor. Keep it at the point A. Count 0. Your friend is at this, right? So count 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Is that not? So 60 degree this is. Now come to this end. Count here. Your friend is this side, right? Here nobody is there, so don't look this side. 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Yes, coming. Here also 60. Now let us check here whether it is coming or not. Keep your protractor at the bottom of the protractor should be side piece. Okay? From big count. Here nobody is there, only this side. Come on. Up, nobody is there, only this side. 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. So all the angles are how many? 60 degrees. So angle A equal to angle B equal to angle C equal to how many degrees? 60 degrees. Therefore, this. Okay, children? Here onwards, all my videos will be coming to you through Ganesh Kohima. Don't laugh, okay? No, children. Ganesh. This is the name of my YouTube channel. So all of you go to YouTube. Ganesh Kohima, you subscribe. Daily will be coming videos. Okay, children? So whatever questions I am doing in the school, all those videos will be I am going to send through YouTube Ganesh Kohima. Okay? Okay, children. See you all.